40 years in storage, and today we're going to let the CJ5 see the light of day for the first time. that was a lot of work. That took us almost 4 hours. I really want to thank my wife for helping me do that. That would have taken forever by myself. I really appreciate her coming out and doing that with me. All right, so the next thing I need to do is I need to set this up a little bit more like a restoration shop. I need to get some things organized so I can get in here and actually do some work on it. Next thing I need to do is go gather up all the parts. I've got them scattered in 3 different locations. I need to get them over here, do an inventory, figure out what I have, figure out what I need to buy, figure out what I've already restored, what needs to be restored. The next time we get together, I want to have all those parts organized. I want to show you what I've got. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Ring the bell so you get notified the next time I post a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.